nabasa niyo na lahat. So, hindi na natin babasahin ngayon. Yung hindi pa nakabasa, basahin niyo lang sa ating email na pinorward ko. Any brief resonances to anyone? We don't need to resonate to everybody, pero bago ako mag-closing,
Hindi resonance
sugatin
ito.
natin.
Meron akong napanood sa YouTube, yung Living Funeral. Ah,
Ah,
taga
habang buhay
Singapore.
ka?
Habang buhay pa siya, pero knowing na terminal yung illness niya, kinumbidan niya lahat yung mga kaibigan niya dun sa kanyang flat, no?
Mm,
At
mm,
nag-goodbyean sila.
mm.
So that's one other thing you can do. You said you want to say goodbye. Iniisip ko rin, sabi
Oo.
ko, makikigit kaya yun. Kaya lang ang lalayo naman ng mga kaibigan ko
Ayun
pag
nga,
bigla.
nakakalat sa buong mundo. Puwede
Ang
namang
bibiyak.
Zoom, puwedeng
Pero
mm.
siguro, magbisita and then you gather your friends or your family, wherever they are. Tapos
At
yung
ay
second,
sige,
hindi,
related lang sa sinabi ni ate Nat na Living Funeral. Kung napanood niyo yung Tuesdays with Morrie,
Mm.
na movie, magandang movie yon yung Tuesdays with Morrie. Yung kanya naging estudyante, siya nag-prepare, nag-gather ng ano.
Mm.
So habang buhay pa siya, they did living funeral service
Book
for
yan eh.
book siya
Book.
na naging film.
Album.
Oo, mm. Sige, Ate Nats, continue.
I attended a funeral. Yung father ng friend ko, ni-record niya yung kanyang goodbyes. Nag-tape niya yung
Mm.
sarili niya. Tapos, he addressed each family member, pati yung mga apo.
Ah.
Sabi niya na
Mm.
ganito. It was a very, siguro more than 30 minutes yon. It
So
was
pinalabas
humorous.
yun during his funeral, na-view ng mga
Play
tao?
nila
Ah,
during the funeral service. So, it was
mm,
humorous kasi ni-recall niya yung mga funny moments with individuals na
mm,
tapos yung
mm.
niya. I thought
Oh,
that was,
maganda.
yeah,
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 that's a good suggestion din ano. At least
yeah.
may opportunity tayo bago ka mamatay, masabi yung mga gusto mong sabihin kung kanino
Yeah,
man
sabihin
yun.
mo na.
Yeah,
At saka
that's a
yun,
good good exercise.
hindi niya na-record ng one sitting. Inedit niya kasi
Ah, ah,
for is babasahin nga. So may nakalimutan siya, i-edit niya. So it was very
mm,
well done.
mm,
Very well
mm.
done.
Thank you. May sinabi si Ate Lisa pero hindi ko mahanap sa Netflix eh, yung sinabi niyang last word
The
yata na
Last
movie.
Word, oo, si Shirley
Hindi
MacLaine,
oo,
napanood ko.
hindi ko napanood, hindi ko ma-search pa. Anyway, yun ang sinuggest ni Ate Lisa. Any other resonance or comment,
Ako naman,
affirmation? Sige,
I
Flor.
did our liturgy nung COVID
Talaga.
after my cancer. Tapos, it's good that we reviewed it this time kasi madami na rin akong ni-revise. Kasi halimbawa, meron doon yung speaker, yung director namin na kaibigan-kaibigan ni Steve din,
Namatay na.
ay
Hindi na.
na-stroke 2 years ago. Hanggang ngayon, hindi makasalita. Kaya
Oh,
kailangan hindi na
balikan
yon.
yun. Oo.
Oo. Tapos may isa pa din, kaibigan din ni Steve, last Christmas lang, we lost him also. Kaya it was a traumatic experience nitong Christmas. Kaya revised na din. At tapos habang inaano ko, tinitignan ko yung liturgy, nakalagay doon, para yung song. And linagay ko, I want this to celebrate God's goodness and faithfulness. Kasi madalas, nakikita ko, the funeral will be a celebration of, say, Steve's life or Floor's life. Sabi ko, teka, ayoko yata na yung life namin na i-celebrate, even though yan na ang modern ngayon, ano? But I want them to celebrate God's goodness and faithfulness. Kaya yung mga kanta ko, puro God-centered na lang. At saka sabi ko, gusto ko itong mga kanta. Kasi dito sa Thailand, ang mga kanta, ang lulungkot. At saka merong yung till we meet again. No, in Thai. Sabi ko, ayoko naman ganun. O kaya, the name should be called Yonder.
Yonder.
Ayoko naman
Then the role
ganun.
is called back yonder.
Exactly. Ayoko naman ganun kasi lalo ka naman malulungkot at saka masyadong man-centered. Kaya sabi ko, Lord, gusto ko talagang itataas kanila at ikaw lang during the funeral service. At one of you said na ay ayaw ng mga remembrance, yung yung what I remember,
Mm.
what
Eulogy.
I remember Ate Flor for. Oo nga, wag
Ayun
yun,
na.
wag yun na. Kasi talagang gawin na lang natin, sabi ng loob ko, gawin na lang natin God-centered. Yun. Tapos I thank you, Nani, kasi nung sinabi ni Nani na her family
God
will
is
be
with
all
you.
right because I was all right. And nag-resonate sa akin yun talaga kasi yun din ang inano ng Lord nung nag-a-anxiety ako tungkol sa mga maiiwan. Sabi ko, what are you worried for? You're all right. Yun ang mga pinagdaanan mo. You were all right. What are you anxious about? Kaya ayan. Tapos just in closing na lang, I want to share a poem na nabasa ko na thanks to Lina, siguro yung poem ni Mary Oliver. Ang title, When Death Comes.
Sige.
I-share ko lang yung last, medyo mahaba yun, yung last 4 stanzas, pero i-abridge ko na rin. Sabi niya, when it's over, I want to say all my life, I was a bride married to amazement. Yun. When it's over,
Married to?
amazement. Yung amazed ka. Yung I was a
Married with a-
bride. When it's
married
over, I want to say that all my life, I was a bride married to amazement. Yun ang gusto ko, yung that amazement, not because of the illnesses and problems in the family or worries about my son, but just amazed that the Lord did all things good. The Lord just did all things good and all things that are praiseworthy. Yung amazed na amazed ka na lang sa Panginoon in the midst of all that had happened. And then sabi niya, when it's over, I don't want to wonder if I have made of my life something real. I don't want to find myself sighing, buntong hininga, and frightened or full of argument. I don't want to end up simply having visited this world. Parang nagbisita ka lang sa mundo. Walang nangyari sa buhay mo. Nag-tour ka lang. Ganyan lang. Parang you just visited this world. And like nothing that is noteworthy happened. And with this, gusto ko rin i-acknowledge yung story ni Melba. I wanted to write something about it, response to Melba's what she shared. Pero hindi natin napag-usapan kasi nga na-late siya na pag-submit. But maybe I will write about it something. That it's not doing, it's not what you did. And for me, it's not also just being. But sa last line ni Melba, it was simply living. Ang ganda-ganda nun, Melba. I want to acknowledge you and thank you for that. And because of that, I think all of us can say, we did not just visit this world, but we lived it. We lived it in amazement of all that God has done to us. Yun lang.
Wow, thank you. Thank you so much, Flor.
Thank you.
May 3 minutes pa. May,
Ako pala meron
kung-
akong
sige.
resonance dun sa sinabi ni Manang natin na yung ikaw din, yung
Yeah, I don't want to.
dying alone, ano?
No, right.
Medyo
right.
ano yun actually dun sa aking project, hindi lang yung retirement village. Gusto ko na youth village. Gusto ko meron akong senior home na malaki, retirement home.
Wow.
Kasi para maimbita ko kayong
Tayo
lahat, mga kaibigan
tayo
ko.
lahat doon.
Lalo na yung mga single na walang
Magkantahan tayo
mag-isa.
at sayawan
Kasi nga,
doon.
Kasi nga, na-inspire ako dito sa Sacred Heart sa Novaliches. Yung mga retired na mga mga priests, no? Magkakasama sila eh. Meron silang until they die, meron din silang maliit na cemetery dun sa the
Yeah.
back ng
Oo,
property.
oo.
Magkakasama sila, masaya sila, kahit na matatanda na sila. Tapos yun nga, may prayers. So sabi ko, gusto ko yata ng ganun, yung we don't die alone, ano? Lalo na yung sila Maxi dyan sa Amerika, yung bang, sabi ko, why don't you all come home? Sabi ko kila Max. And pay back the country. Tapos itong aking iniisip na retirement home, na magkakasama tayo doon para tayong monastic community. Meron tayong prayers in the morning, prayers in the evening. Tapos yung mga lalakas pa, pwede na mag-volunteer, no? Mag-volunteer. Kayo mga
Magluto, mag-garden.
kayo dito sa Seventh-day Adventist. So we can get parang memo of agreement na pag tayo naman ng may sakit, libre rin tayo sa kanila. Yung mga ganon. O kaya doon sa Palawan
Okay, mga
State
dreams.
Universities, yung mga teacher, pwedeng mag-volunteer tayong lahat, no? Lalo na ngayon may mga after school na mga tinatawag na boys, yung boys na movement, yun yung value education sa mga bata, yung mga ganyan, na volunteer tayong lahat, sabi ko, yung mga malalakas pa. Tapos, yun na nga, yung we come together like a monastic community. Kagaya nakita ko ron sa Sacred Heart, na
Yeah.
masaya sila, and until the end, they praise the Lord together. So, naisip ko, sabi ko, since I have this much land, yung aking retirement home, gagawin ko malaking malaki para everybody can have a room. Yung mga ganun tipo. Sino yung mga kaibigan ko na
Wow.
doon. Kasi naawa rin ako kay Romulo, alam mo, kasi mag-isa siya ron sa bahay niya na gigiray-giray na, ganun-ganun. Tapos sabi niya, Mebs, gusto ko sana gawin itong townhouse pero wala na siyang energy. So naawa naman ako. So sabi ko, siguro, sige, whoever wants to join me, ganun. Sabi naman ni Max, sige, Ate Mebs, you build it and we will go. And go home. Sabi ko, sige,
Tama.
ipili lang ninyo ako na I will not expire before itong mga pangarap na to.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
At saka eto pa lang si Kwan, na napakaraming libro ni Lina. I-donate mo na lang sa akin lahat yan.
Okay. Papadala ko
Ilagay sa
sa
iyong
Isaac,
ano.
lalo na sa Isaac.
Basta ipangako mo
donate lahat.
alagaan nyo, ha? Magaganda
Ay,
yung
oo, sa Isaac yan, sa Isaac.
Okay, sige. Maraming salamat. This has been a very inspiring, encouraging, lahat-lahat na ng mga emotions ang lumabas sa atin habang nakikinig tayo sa isa't isa. So, bago yung close, kung may mga resonances pa pala tayo or anything you want, mga response niyo sa isa't isa, pwede naman natin ilagay sa ating group chat, no? Group chat at saka o kaya sa email. So, feel free to write anything you want to write na hindi natin na-share ngayon. So, in closing, gusto ko lang magbasa ng ilang magandang closing na sana yung kay Flor, pero gusto ko rin i-share kung ano itong mga napili kong gusto kong basahin from Henry Nouwen's book na Here and Now, Living in the Spirit. So may mga chapter kasi siya dito on preparing for death, tsaka yung last. So mag-pick lang ako ng ilang sentences. Medyo mahaba ng konti, but a few minutes. Okay lang? Sige.
Yes.
Okay. Sabi ni Henry Nouwen about preparing for death. Sabi niya, whatever we think or hope, the way we will die is unpredictable and our worries about it quite fruitless. But still, we need to be prepared. Preparing ourselves for death is the most important task of life, at least when we believe that death is not the total dissolution of our identity, but the way to its fullest revelation. Death, as Jesus speaks about it, is that moment in which total defeat and total victory are one. The cross on which Jesus died is the sign of this oneness of defeat and victory. Jesus speaks about his death as being lifted up on the cross as well as lifted up in the resurrection. Jesus wants our death to be like his, a death in which the world banishes us, but God welcomes us home. How then do we prepare ourselves for death? By living each day in the full awareness of being children of God, whose love is stronger than death. Speculations and concerns about the final days of our life are useless, but making each day into a celebration of our belovedness as sons and daughters of God will allow us to live our final days, whether short or long, as birthing days. The pains of dying are labor pains. Through them, we leave the womb of this world and are born to the fullness of children of God. Our life is a short opportunity to say yes to God's love. Our death is a full coming home to that love. Naglalaktaw ako ng ilang sentences. Kasi medyo mahaba. We are challenged once again to look at our lives from above. When indeed Jesus came to offer us full communion with God by making us partakers of his death and resurrection, what else can we desire but to leave our mortal bodies and to reach the final goal of our existence? The only reason for staying in this valley of tears can be to continue the mission of Jesus, who has sent us into the world as his Father sent him into the world. Looking from above, life is a short, often painful mission, full of occasions to do fruitful work for God's kingdom, and death is the open door that leads into the hall of celebration where the King himself will serve us. It all seems such an upside-down way of being, but it's the way of Jesus and the way for us to follow. There is nothing morbid about it. To the contrary, it's a joyful vision of life and death. As long as we are in the body, let us care well for our bodies, so that we can bring the joy and peace of God's kingdom to those we meet on our journey. But when the time has come for our dying and for death, let us rejoice that we can go home and be united with the one who calls us the beloved. Yan, from Henry Nouwen.
Ganda.
Amen. Mhm.